Hello everyone, welcome to a new flight review, and a very good morning from the hotel next to Suvarnabhumi Airport in Bangkok. Anyways, after a quick break, I'm now headed for the airport. So today I'm traveling in Emirates business class on the Airbus A380. Since we still have some time before boarding, let's go check out the Emirates Lounge. The lounge feels very modern, which brings out a pleasant vibe to it. There's also a lot of seating areas, which is a bonus. Now let's have a look at what food is available. There's tomato soup, here's some rice, Thai green curry, Indian biryani, Malaysian satay, seasonal vegetables, and some snapper in lentils. For cold options, there's Arabic meze and hummus, some fresh salad, as well as desserts and cheese platter. For drinks, there's a wide variety of coffee, alcohol, and soft drinks. Overall, I was very impressed by the lounge. Staff were friendly, food was tasty, and the lounge itself is very modern, which makes the experience an enjoyable one. Anyways, time for boarding. Here's our Airbus A380. Here's my seat for today, 15K. At your seat you can find a pair of noise cancelling headphones and a pillow. Now let me show you the seat features. Here's your own personal lighting. Next to it is USB ports. You have your own mini bar here. And finally a tablet which can be used as an IFE. As always on A380s, you have extra storage compartments on the upper deck. Hot towels were handed out before departure. Shortly after takeoff, meal service was commenced. And here's how the meal looks like. The main course was a Thai curry with snapper and red rice. It comes with a bread roll and butter. For dessert, a mango panna cotta. Last but not least, a drink of your own choice. The food was exceptional and I finished everything within seconds. Chocolates were given out after the meal. Now let me show you a cool feature of these windows. You can play with it when you're feeling bored. Alright, time to check out the famous ICE entertainment system. Emirates IFE system is probably the best in the airline industry, and here's why. Not only do you have a lot of movies to choose from, you also have a variety of genres to select from. Also, the movies are all pretty much up to date. As you can see, there's other categories such as documentaries, anime and Marvel Studios, etc. So you probably won't get bored on an Emirates flight. Not just movies, but there's also a lot of games to choose from. This is without a doubt the best IFE you can find in my opinion. Now let's have a look in the washroom. There's some fresh orchids, which is a nice touch. Here's some perfume. A socket for men who needs to shave or for other purposes. The toilet was kept clean throughout the flight, so thumbs up to the crew. And there's a window, so you can look at the views while taking a shit. Back at my seat now, let's see what's in the seat pocket. There's a safety card, Emirates magazine called Open Skies, magazine for merchandise, a guide for the IFE, and an air sickness bag. One last thing to show, let's make a flatbed. Unfortunately, this flight is rather short and we are already descending into Hong Kong, so let's make a conclusion. Starting from the positives, the seat was very comfortable, the food was exceptional, IFE was amazing, and the lounge at Bangkok was lovely as well. I do have two complaints though. The crew were chatting during takeoff and landing, which is not so professional. They were nice and friendly however. My second complaint is that there's no amenity kit provided. Yes, this was a short flight, but for a top airline like Emirates, it is a bit disappointing. Apart from that, another excellent flight with Emirates. Now let's enjoy the landing into Hong Kong. And welcome to Hong Kong International Airport. If you have enjoyed this flight review, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you are a viewer from Hong Kong, 香港人加油!